And everything is finally finished. We got the cables all set up really nicely. I know the light is kind of annoying, but then I got the power source here. I have my Ryobi brush, the vertical bandsaw, a nice little table. Then we have this guy. I'm gonna just build a little bit more, but that's just nothing. And we got this guy that it works. We got the laser beams, got the light on the fucker, and then we got this guy set up, and that guy works too. And this moves with one hand. So pretty happy with this setup. And that's the final deal with this. I mounted it on the bottom. I even set it up really nicely. And now it looks pretty legit.